Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex and I'm always delighted making this kind of videos and helping our clients with the buy, with the sale, and of course with the rental of real estate properties in our beautiful, sunny Costa Blanca region. Welcome to Ciudad Quesada. We are in a nice residential area on which wealthy people are living with own pool, big villas, usually big kind of properties, and good neighborhood. You have people living here all the year, also in the winter time. Many people that are renters and enjoying here our good sunny weather with nice properties, pool area, big plot, and of course surrounded by all the infrastructure that you need. Ciudad Quesada belongs to Rojales town. We are just from here, from this part of Quesada, we are just 5 minutes from the town. 15 minutes way to Guardamar beach. It's very good beach here in our area. 3 kilometers to the center of Quesada, on which you have everything, bar, restaurants, commercial centers, everything you need. And the best thing maybe on this case, we are just 1 kilometer away to Golf Club La Marquesa, so it's a perfect place for the golf lovers. And of course you have everything there, supermarket, restaurants, and all the facilities. So, and today I will show you a new build project of 9 villas. We're already in the show house villa. This show house is completely done, key ready, and ready to move in. Price for this villa is 556,000 euros, including everything, just without the furniture. So I think we can start with the review. So as I told you, this is the show house, is on sale. This is one of the 9 villas that will be built here in this nice place of Quesada, and this is a corner plot that have 276 square meter size. And on this plot, that is a corner one, we have nice pool. This is the main entrance from the street, and to the right side you have the parking spot on which you can easily park any car. And very important, I want to mention that this show house, it's the more highest part of the full plot, so you will have the best views in this show house, because the other villas, they will go a little bit too down. Yeah, so in this case you will have the best views. And now I'm going to the other side of the villa. You have the exit from the living room to this nice terrace. And very important to mention that on this case we have these stairs that drive us to this terrace that you have down, and you have a fully equipped basement with 2 bedrooms there. This is optional. So starting prices are from 440 for a standard villa, and then you have many options to choose. Not many options, but these 2 options as the basement, fully equipped basement with bedrooms, it's 70,000 more, or fully equipped roof terrace for 20,000 more. You can choose it as an option in the future villas that will be done that way. So I think outside is everything, and now we can go inside and see how it's done from inside. So, of course, best qualities. On the case of this show house, everything is included in the price. The only thing that is not included is the furniture, but the developer offered the furniture as an extra pack for 12,000 euro. You can have all the furniture that you see on this show house, but everything rest is included, as the white goods from the kitchen, Bosch, good white goods, nice windows, it's very bright here. Yeah, I feel a lot of light. Dining area, living room with big windows. We see the pool from the living room, and we can access, as I told at the beginning of the video, to the terrace, and we still have nice views to the to the golf court. Now it's construction, but when the things from the construction go out, you have an open view, and you will always have it on this case from this small terrace. Following on this ground floor, 70 square meter size, we have 2 bedrooms and a fully equipped bedroom with shower, plate, good size, everything included, nice qualities. And they're both bedrooms with big window, air conditioning is centralized. Of course, you have everything as it should be. And quick, the second bedroom. This is the main bedroom, and of course with the slide door that drives you out to the terrace on which the car is parked. And now we're going to see the ground floor. The ground floor is extra, but on this case is included in the price. And we have same surface as in the main floor. Follow me. Look at this lighting by the stairs. Looks very nice. Check it out. Actually, this basement, it's like one more apartment because you have your own kitchen here with some storage. Nice water boiler. This is an aerothermic water boiler, modern and new. And yeah, it's same as the main floor, and you have your small access to the terrace, and it's a nice solution for somebody that wants to have 2 apartments in one villa, because you have a separate entrance from outside. You can enter here, and yeah, there is a possibility even to make a door here and have it completely separate from the main villa. Bedroom, fully equipped, nice done bathroom, another bedroom. So it's perfect. You have one more apartment split from the main villa. And let's go now to see the rooftop with one more bedroom in suite. So now from the main floor, by joining by the stairs, look at this nice window. I'm going to see the third bedroom, well, the 5th bedroom, sorry. We have 2 bedrooms in the basement, 2 in the main floor, and 1 bedroom in suite with slide doors here in the upper part. Of course, nice windows, nice done with 2 sinks for a couple, and of course with access to the roof terrace. I also want to mention that we have solar panels included in the price. You can see them. And one more access to this roof terrace from the stairs area. The roof terrace has 40 square meter size, and the best on this case, we see the golf club from here. Nice green, we see part from Vega Baja, some mountains, fantastic views. So this is all. 5 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, almost 200 square meters constructed area, 556,000 euro for this show house. Yeah, you have more to choose on the plot. Following, we have on one side 4 villas, and in the other side also 4 villas, so 9 villas in total. If you have interest, don't mind to contact me. You have all my details here. In the video, contact me for this property or any other property. Don't lose this chance. It's a good area, Ciudad Quesada. It's a nice place to be. Contact me for anything, and I wish you all the best. See you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.